So in Ashtanga series, we go from Padahastasana to Padahastasana, but we can also study them separately. So is there any question with these two?
No.
Okay, we studied that quite a lot. Okay, so this time Padahastasana, the hands going under the feet. Yeah. So we basically go down in the same way, hands on the waistline, inhaling, lengthening up, exhaling, folding forward and down, all the way first. Yeah. So see where the hands come. Yeah, if the hands reaching so far, then we place the palms under the feet. Very good. Here again, we need to lengthen forward with the chest. Very good. You can soften knees here as well to feel the shoulder blades. Wonderful. And with the exhale, bring the lower abdomen in again and lengthening all the way up to your neck and then down. Bravo. Shoulders again away from each other and from the neck. Five, six breaths again here. Gazing backwards towards the point where the tip of the nose is pointing. Very good. Inhale, lengthen up. Bravo. Exhale, hands to waistline. Inhale. Beautiful. Lovely. How are you?
Nice. It's getting easier.